Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I'm going to create AI faceless automation course and it's completely free for you. So you will get a video playlist in my YouTube channel section. So let's check it out my YouTube channel and you will find a playlist that's called AI faceless YouTube automation course, full course. Okay, and that would be a step-by-step course. So it's completely free. You don't have to any pay, you don't have to purchase any subscription or any courses. Okay, so I will show you each and every steps that you need. So I think that would be a series or one by one video. So I don't know how many videos would be, but I will make sure that the video would be very informative. Perfect guys, so before jumping into the video, if you don't want to miss out the videos and the playlist, okay, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification, otherwise you will get the notify and you will watch the videos. Okay, so first of all, this is the first slide, AI faceless YouTube automation full course, make money with AI. So why AI? So in 2025, so maybe you are looking for earning extra money, doing some freelancing or affiliate marketing or other writing or different kind of stuff, okay, or looking for a side hustle. So I think this is the perfect time to start with making money with AI, because with AI you can do a lot of things and you can earn money, lot of money. Okay guys, so if you are a beginner and if you don't know what is YouTube automation, so don't worry at all. So let's have a look what you will learn from this course. Okay, first we will do a niche selection. So what is niche selection? So we will find a specific topic or niche that's a really higher CPM. So I know you know CPM is cost per mile. That's mean the YouTube advertiser are willingly to pay this kind of money. So if you choose higher CPM, then you can make money, more money. So create less and earn more. So that's the concept. So first we'll find a specific topic, and second we'll research the target audience. That's mean maybe you know the first class country like USA or UK, Canada, Australia. If your videos access from this kind of countries, so maybe you're gonna make more money. That's the first thing. So that's why we are find what kind of audience we are targeting. So initially we'll research and then we'll target this audience. So don't worry at all. So I'm going to show you each and everything how we can find a specific topic and research audience. And the second step or second video, channel setup. That's mean number one, create a YouTube channel. I will show you how you can create a YouTube channel and professionally how you can design a banner and logo, and that would be free. And number three, how to write a compelling channel description. That's mean, and in this video you will get this kind of thing like creating YouTube channel, creating banner, logo, and how to compelling your description, channel description, how to you can write it, how can you can use Gemini or ChatGPT to write your description. So that will be amazing. And number three, content planning. That's mean so let's have a recap. Like first we have to niche selection, and the second channel setup, and the third is content planning. That's mean our YouTube channel is ready and it's time to plan our content. That's mean what kind of videos we can produce. Number one, brainstorm video ideas. We have to find the video ideas. We will use different AI tools to finding our ideas. Then we'll keyword research, very important, keyword research. That's mean initially as a beginner, many of you know that if you do a SEO on your video, so that would be great for audience, because when your audience searches a particular keyword, they will get your video first page and then they will watch. So this is the code. That's why we important research keyword. And the number three is create a content calendar. That's mean we'll create a calendar that's gonna help you or help me also, because I always try to upload this on every single day. So that's mean how many videos you can produce and when you can upload the video and the perfect time that you want to upload. So in this section or in this video I will reveal that. And the next is video creation. That's mean our video idea is ready, keyword ready, and content calendar is ready. So next time we have to create the videos using the video idea. Okay, so script writing, voiceovers, and video editing. Okay guys, the very important, many of you just thinking that I don't have any script writing skill. I don't have any good voice and video editing, also including me. So because I know my English is not a good enough, okay, but I'm trying. So script writing, so I will show you how you can write a script using the particular video idea, and how you can generate the title, description, and finally we'll use AI tools for video creation, ultimate video creation using the script. Okay, in this section I will reveal this and I will show you a step-by-step tutorial. So next, video optimization. That's mean when our video is ready, it's time to upload. So we'll compiling the title, description, and we'll create an eye-catchy thumbnail and also the relevant tags and screens. So in this section we'll also use different AI tools to generating the tags and also the titles and description. All right, so and the next is promotion. That's mean our video already published and it's time to promote. How we can promote? That's mean we have to share our videos on the social media, and definitely you have to create all the social media platform, okay, like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, one other social media platform, YouTube definitely, because we are producing a video for YouTube. Okay, so engaging with your audience, that's mean you have to always engage with your audience. Like if you got any comment, so always to try to respond and collaborate with the other YouTubers. That's mean always you can put a good comment on the others video. That's it. Monetization finally, and then we'll get more views and subscribers, and it's time to get a monetization. The criteria is very simple, all of you know that. 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours to enable ads on your videos. That's mean how we can make money. And the another one is explore other monetization options. That's mean you can monetize or you can earn different ways like affiliate marketing or sponsorship. Okay, so last not the least, remember consistency is key to growing a successful YouTube channel. Regularly upload high quality content, engage with your audience, and stay updated on the latest trends. So that's you keep in your mind, and always remember this, the ultimate goal is to making money. Okay, always creating videos and upload. So that's why we're going to create a schedule that I've already showed you that. So okay, each and every single day we have to produce a video and upload. So it's not a hard work, it's a smart work that should be. Okay, so maybe you were enjoying this tutorial, and I'm really excited that I told you that. So what excited, I'm going to show you the full course, okay, and it's completely free. So if you love this content, please comment below. If you have any particular queries, so you can send me a message on Instagram and Facebook page. Check out my video description. And this is the first video in this playlist, and the next video would be niche selection, and I will talk about how we can choose a specific topic and research your audience. So next video you will see the niche selection video. So if you don't want to miss this tutorial, so definitely subscribe this YouTube channel, and I will come back with very soon. So see you in the next video.